I'm called Ayella Jimmy George, the NRM District Chairperson for Kitgum District, and also the Chairperson coordinating Acholi sub-region. We do not have a representative in the Central Executive Committee of the party. The Central Executive Committee is an executive committee of the organ that comes up with policies for implementation by the party. Since the death of Jacob Olanya, no one has been appointed to take care of that office. So we are now requesting the chairperson, the national chairperson, to at least appoint one person. The meeting here recommend that it should be within Acholi sub-region, since the issue was still with Acholi.
My name is Lango Molly. I am the NRM Chairperson of the district. I also coordinate my colleagues, the NRM Chairpersons from Lango sub-region. As the NRM leaders in the greater northern region, comprising of the 3 sub-regions, that is Acholi, Lango, and West Nile, in Igulo City, for about 2 or 3 things. One, as a party, and especially in northern region, we all aware that we lost our regional vice chairperson, or that was none other than Right Honorable Jacob Olanya. May his soul rest in eternal peace. And as a result, up to date, there has been no by-elections. So as party leaders, we do not have an immediate supervisor to run to or to call in case of any eventuality or any issues in our districts or our sub-regions.
We are left out in the sense that in government monitoring, we are left out in that most of this monitoring is given to the office of the RDC and the district councillors. But we are the owner of this project. What is being implemented is our manifesto. Now, I can't be the owner of a property. Now, when I send workers, they do not give me reports. That is where we are concerned. Our involvement will increase the efficiency in the implementation method, because I will talk as the owner, not somebody working for. What we are seeing is the people working for us, they may not be working in our favor.
So as party leaders, we feel we are handicapped. We cannot mobilize. Every time you have to either borrow a motorcycle from these sub-county chairpersons. But we are saying yes, we appreciate. We went through a lot. The country went through a lot during that time of COVID-19, and our economy has been affected, has been hit seriously. But today we sat and we resolved that, yes, let us be given a token or a humble contribution of 150 million shillings per person or per chairperson, so that we are able to get another means of transport.
We want to appreciate that the NRM village chairpersons, the parish chairpersons got their transport. And there were pledges for a motor vehicle for district chairpersons. We want to remind him that we need the transport in any way so that we are able to mobilize our people.